And hi, welcome back again with me. Today I'm gonna show you how to play some pentatonic licks on a guitar, and I call this lick as flash pentatonic. This lick I use a descending pattern. If ascending is like this. This lick's based on very basic pentatonic scale, like this. So I think you can play it so easy and so well, okay? And disclaimer first, I'm sorry if my English is still bad, but I hope you can understand my explanation in this video. And we have to go to the tutorial, okay? So the first we use descending pentatonic scale, okay? So I use the B minor root. In this technique, I use so much a pull off, right? Less picking, you know. You can use the hybrid picking too. Okay, you can use the hybrid or just pull off, only pull off. Let's get into it. The first, you play the first string on the 10 to 7. Pull off. Okay. Then the second, you play the same 10 to 7. Okay. And the third string, you play the 9 to 7. Okay. So like this. Okay, and then you repeat the second string 10 to 7. Okay, and then go to the third again to 9 to 7. Okay, repeat, just repeat. We play at the first. Okay, and then you got the fourth string. The fourth is just 9 to 7. Okay, and then you back to the third 9 to 7, and then the fourth string 9 to 7 too, and then the fifth string 9 to 7. Okay. Okay, just repeat and repeat. And then the last move is just the fourth, back to the fourth again, 9 to 7, 5 string, and the 9 7 2. The last note is 6 string 10 to 7. Okay. The sixth string is just the ending. So you can play it again slowly, okay? The first move, second move. Okay, the third move. The last move. Okay, just play it so slowly, and don't get rushed. Just slowly and relax. Feel it and don't be so hasty. Just play it slowly and relax. Okay. Just practice it every day until your power of your finger is so powerful, and don't be hasty. Just keep relaxed, feel it. Okay, and finally we have end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you can understand what I explained, so hope it's worth it. See you later and bye bye.